Struggling with dropped signals or unreliable sound from your Phonak ComPilot device? The right neckloop antenna can make all the difference. Imagine having a simple, affordable fix that restores your hearing aid's connection instantly, without waiting weeks or paying more than you should. One user shared how their husband's necklace wire broke unexpectedly, leaving him without the support he needed. Searching for a quick replacement, they found the exact Phonak ComPilot Neckloop antenna on Amazon at half the price of the hearing aid store. Not only was it cheaper, but the delivery was faster too. The result? A seamless experience with no glitches, proving that quality and affordability can go hand in hand. Another story comes from a son who bought the Neckloop antenna to replace his father's faulty original. The old antenna caused intermittent signal issues, making calls frustrating and unreliable. After switching to the new Neckloop, the problem disappeared. He even purchased both the long and short versions, finding the long one more convenient for easy wear, while the short one required detaching to put on. It's a small detail that highlights the product's thoughtful design and versatility. If you've noticed your hearing aids dropping calls or losing connection, this Neckloop antenna might be the simple solution you need. One user described how replacing their cable fixed all their problems: no more dropped calls, no more frustration. It's exactly as described and works perfectly right out of the box. What you get with the Phonak ComPilot Neckloop antenna is peace of mind. You get an original product made to fit your device perfectly. You get clear, uninterrupted sound that helps you stay connected to the world around you. And you get all this without paying a premium or waiting too long for delivery. If that's you, someone looking for a reliable, cost-effective way to enhance your hearing aid experience, this Neckloop antenna is worth a look. It's proven by real users to solve common signal issues and fits comfortably for everyday wear. Try it when you're ready to regain control over your hearing connections. With top reviews from across the United States and an original Phonak product at a great price, this Neckloop antenna offers a straightforward fix that just works.